Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to make a new tension wrench, and to do this we'll use this Z tension wrench, which comes with almost any Chinese lockpick set. It's the very generic Z wrench tool, and it comes as 1 millimeter of thickness, and I think you can buy them separately, or you can buy the TechSmith kit and you get one of these. But we want to make it sort of a pry bar with two options. So the thicker end will be used as say non-pin side wrench like this, and it doesn't go in, but we'll solve that once we finish. And the smaller part we will use as the bottom of the keyway tension tool. As you can see here, it fits pretty well. So as I mentioned a few times before, in Israel most of the keyways are these Y1 type keyways, so we want to have a tension tool that fits most of these keyways. Not so much interested in other types of keyways. Okay, so let's mark where we want to cut. I think this will be enough, and let's fire up the Dremel. So for the next step, we will fix the sharp edges left from cutting, and I'll do two modifications on the end here. So on the wider end, I will make it a wedge shaped in this direction, which means I will take off the corners and make this a little bit diagonal. On this end, I will make a wedge shape, but in this axis. Meaning this will be much thinner than this. So the width of the metal here is 1 millimeter. So I think about half millimeter at the end and 1 millimeter at the start. So this will allow us to use the same tool for a wide variety of keyways. And of course I'll add some teeth here on the short edge, because the short edge is planned to be used as a pin side tension. So let's go. So for the teeth here, I will use a triangular needle file because I want the straight edges of the teeth to be on the side of the lock, so that when you try to pull it out it has resistance, but the angled part of the tooth to be on the side, on this side, so that it is easier to insert the tension tool. So our tension tool is complete. Probably I'll need to make some little adjustments when I play with it a little, but it's a pretty simple tool and it is very versatile. So thank you for watching, and after this segment I'll try to put some picking videos with the tension tool and the picks that we made in the previous video. So have a nice day.